Hello, dear students, and welcome back again to this grammar lesson. This is your teacher, Yunus Deep, and today we'll have a look at the main tenses that we've seen during the whole year. So for this, let's start with the main important objectives. First, we will review the main tenses, namely simple present, present continuous, past simple, and the future. Then we'll review the form and use of these tenses. And finally, you will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the above tenses by practicing some exercises. So let's start with the simple present. Of course, when we're talking about the simple present, let's start first with the rule. In simple present, we'll have the subject and plus the verb. And if we have a subject as he or she or it, then the verb should be followed by an S. And here we have three types of senses. We have the affirmative or the negative or interrogative. Let's start with the first one. Here you have an example. He eats food. She eats food, or it eats food. So as you can see, the subject plus verb plus S, and then the rest of sentence. The negative form would be, we don't have classes on Sundays. That is, subject plus don't plus verb and the rest of the sentence. The interrogative would be, do you speak English, or where does he live? In the interrogative, we all start with do or does. All right? Let's move to the present continuous, in other words, the progressive. Of course, the rule is as follows. The subject plus the auxiliary, namely am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. The affirmative would be, I am studying English now. And of course, the continuous expresses an action that occurs at the moment of speaking. Alright? I'm studying English now. They're not having dinner this time. Are they studying English or French? So as you can see here, all these start with subject plus verb plus ing. Moving to the simple past, which expresses, of course, an action that has done or that ended in the past, all right? So the rule would be regular verbs. Of course, if we talked about regular verbs and irregular verbs. So here we have verb plus ed, and the regular verbs, they have no rule. So you have to learn them by heart. The affirmative would be, we prayed at home last day. Of course, pray here is a regular verb. We did not, or we didn't pray at home last night. Did you finish your homework? Where did you go yesterday? Future simple expresses an action that still didn't happen but will occur in the future. That's simple future, right? The rule will be subject plus will plus the bare infinitive, all right? Which means verb without to. The affirmative would be, she will or visit her aunt next week. They will not have dinner at home. Interrogative, where shall they have dinner? Now, after we reviewed all these tenses, let's have a look at these worksheets. What you are supposed to do is that you need to answer all these questions, sentences, in other words, from 1 to 10, and you have to use the right tense. All right? So hope you guys enjoyed this grammar lesson, and see you in class.